What's up? I don't know much about the Leopard Reaper, and I know less about the Leopard Reaper Cross. I grew these from, I think he sent like 2 pods, and they look like that. Same seeds. I grew, I think 4 plants sprouted, but only 2 made it out the grow room. I don't know what I'm doing trying to taste something called Reaper, because honestly my tolerance has gone down instead of up. I get horrible cramps and I'm dying in the bathroom. So let's take a look at the plant, and I'll be back to have maybe a nibble of this. I'm not gonna go crazy with it. This is the plant. Weird structure, kind of spread out and then shut up in the middle. Looks like an octopus or something. And I thought about trimming off all these bottoms, but it had a decent amount of fruit, so I held back from doing that. And it's been producing pretty well and ripening a little faster than a lot of my other ones. It's kind of tall. The first, the middle branches, and yeah, kind of wish all my plants were doing this good, but hasn't been that kind of season. So here it is. Let's see what it tastes like. Alright, so here we are. Let's get ready for my funeral. Now, I'm not gonna eat a lot of it. I'm gonna got these 2. I'm gonna cut the gnarlier looking one. I seen a lot of peppers with that shape, but this is the cross. The walls are not too thick. For a pepper this size, I guess it would be medium. Got a good amount of seeds, and just touched my nose. It smells good. It smells like a sweet pepper. It's not too hot smelling, and yeah, actually smells kind of fruity. Not a ton of placenta, except for the smaller side I cut. It has a bit more running all the way to the bottom. This one has 1 line, so I'm gonna bite the butt with the more placenta, just to see what it's like. Okay, I'm trying to get a seed off of that little piece. So here we go. Doesn't smell bad. Doesn't smell like it's gonna be floral, or smells like it really doesn't smell like a super hot, honestly. Let's see. It's kind of sweet, but it does go into floral fast, and it shows some heat right away. It's a bit sweet at first, quickly goes into floral. I feel the heat rising now. The taste after the little bit of sweetness is it's either floral or bitter. It goes completely the wrong way for me. And the heat, I'm getting quite a bit of heat from that tiny piece I bit. I'm pretty sure if you eat at least half of this pepper, it'll feel like a super hot. It feels like a super hot from the tiny bit I ate, but it's kind of a manageable heat. It's not attacking only the tongue. And it's like midway, it's not in the back like some. Yeah, I won't eat more of that. You know, it's been like 6 hours from the time I had lunch, and I couldn't do it at lunch because it's a new situation. I went to the mall, but it was a little noisy there. There's indoor dining allowed now at 25% capacity, so there's less tables and stuff. But it was a bit noisy. I didn't want to record at the mall. So, all right, here's the. Leopard Reaper cross, and it's a bit nasty. It's freaking hot. All I ate was the butt from this one, and spread a good amount of heat from just that little bit, and as always, comment to try to win the seeds. Good luck. Thanks for watching.